Right students, now in English medium mathematics lessons, today I'm going to explain grade 10 lessons, right? Senior second term, first lessons, right? We discussed early, now go to second lesson, that is percentages, right? On this part in percentages, I'll discuss in part 1 the revision of grade 9. That means students what you learn about percentages in grade 9. So those are helpful to solve problem in this grade 10 lessons. Right, let's see. Now let's see what are the topics you have to discuss in this percentage lesson. Right, first you have to discuss revision part, right, in this percentage lesson. Then I'll discuss taxes. First one is rates, second one is custom duty and income tax. Then also you have VAT, right, value added tax, and also simple interest part, right? In lesson by lesson, right, in video by video, I will discuss these 6 parts, right? Keep in mind. Now we'll move to the revision of grade 9. You learn, so remember students, you learn fractions, right? How to write that fraction as decimal, then how to write those one as percentages, right? So let's see, right? So this is my first fraction. You can see half is a fraction. Now I want to write this half as a decimal number, right? So one method is, students, you can make this half denominator as a multiple of 10, right? That means you can, if you can make 10 or 100 or 1000 or like that, easily you can write this fraction as a decimal number, right? So follow this one. I'll make this denominator as 10. That means we can multiply by 5, both by 5, then you get 1 into 5 5, 2 into 5 10. Right, now you can write denominator 10. That means divided into 10 parts, you take 5 parts, so that is you have to separate one decimal, that is 0.5, right? So that is decimal number, right? Then I want to write this half as a percentage, right? One way that one multiply by 100%, then you can simplify this 2 and 100, you can simplify, you can divide by 2, then you get 50 into 1, that is 50, the percentage 50%, right? It's another one, 3/5 fraction. How to make percentage? You can see, you can make denominator 10 by multiplying 2, both by 2, then you get 3 into 2, 6 over 10, that is one decimal, right? Then 0.6, right? To make percentage, 3/5 multiply by 100%, then 5 and 100 can simplify by 5, you get 1 5, you get 25, 20 into 3, that is 60%, right? Next one, 1/4, how to write as decimal? You can see, you can't make by multiplying any number 10, right? You can't make 10, so therefore you have to multiply number to make 100 here. That means you have to multiply by 25, then you get 25, 1 into 25, 25, 4 into 25, 100. Now you can separate two decimal places, right? From the right side, if you separate two decimal places, you get 0.25, right? Percentage, right? So easy one, right? Multiply by 100%, 4 and 100 can simplify, then you get 25%, right? Right, now students, let's we discuss this part, right? Now I want to write, see, one quantity want to represent as a percentage of the other quantity, right? So one quantity you should write as a percentage of from the other quantity, right? Let's see what happened. Right, this is my first example here. 20 rupees as a percentage of 400 rupees. That means 20 rupees want to write as a percentage of what? 400 rupees, right? So easy method is first write 20 rupees as a fraction of 400 rupees. How to write? Both in rupees, right? So this is the fraction, right? This is a fraction. What is a fraction? 20 over 400. That is a fraction of 20 rupees by 400. Now you know how to make fraction as a percentage, right? So what is this way? Easy way is you can multiply by 100%. 100%. How to simplify? This 100 and 400 you can cut by 100, right? So many ways, right? Let's see. 100, 400 has 4 hundreds. 4 hundreds, right? Now 20 and 4 can simplify, right? So again can divide by 4. That you get 1 4. 20 has 5 fours. That means you get 5 into 1 here. That is 5%, right? So that is the percentage of 20 rupees of 400 rupees, right? Let's see another example. 4 centimeter as a percentage of 2 meter. Now you see this 1 centimeter, this 1 meter should be in same unit. What is the easy way? Convert this 2 meter into centimeter, right? 2 meter, how many centimeter? 1 meter 100 centimeter mean 2 meter 200 centimeter. Now you can write 4 centimeter as a percentage of 200 centimeter, right? First write fraction 4 over 200. How to make percentage? Should multiply by 400%, 100%. Then easily simplify 100 and 200. 2, 4 divided by 2, that is 2%, right? Easy one. Let's move to another example. 200 milliliter as a percentage of 1 liter. Here also you can see this 1 milliliter, this 1 liter, different. So make into 1 unit. 1 unit. Easy one is smallest unit, milliliter. 1 liter means 1000 milliliter. Now you can write 200 over 1000. That is a fraction. Now make percentage. How? Multiply by 100%. 100%. Then you can cut 100 and 1000. Then you can divide by that one by 200. Then you get 20%. Right. Let's move to another example. Right. 80 students as a percentage of 40 students. Right. How to write? 80 students from 40. First fraction 8 over 40. Multiply by 100%. Right. So how to simplify? 8 and 40 can simplify by 8. That means 8 has 1 8. 40 has 5 8. Right. 8 has 1 8. 40 has 5 8. Now 105 can simplify by 5. This one has 100 has 25s. 5 has 1 5s, right? So this one, then 20 and 1 can multiply, then you get 20%. Right, now students, in this coming up next video, you can see what is taxes. That is a grade 10 lesson. So in this taxes, first tax I'll discuss with you is rates, right? So keep in touch with Maths Globe channel.